Every connector undergoes a controlled precision manufacturing process before entering application. Millimeter-level pitch design, miniature terminals, and complex assembly requirements mean that even minor deviations can affect final connection reliability. In connector manufacturing, automated equipment has become a key element of high-volume production, supporting connectors' consistency and delivery capability. Compared with manual assembly, automated production lines enable continuous 24-hour operation. From material feeding, terminal insertion, crimping, inspection to packaging, the entire process is highly integrated and continuously executed, improving tact consistency and manufacturing efficiency. For connectors, the real challenge is not assembly itself, but achieving consistent control of every terminal at the micron level. Automation systems enable micron-level assembly control with inline inspection across the process, including terminal position accuracy, insertion force, and insulation performance, reducing process variation and improving long-term connection stability. In applications such as EVs, industrial control, and robotics, connector requirements are evolving toward more complex structures, higher reliability, and greater customization. Automated production lines enable fast changeover and flexible adaptation, reducing delivery cycles. It is not merely a replacement for manual work, but a core foundation for achieving efficiency, consistency, and rapid response capability. GreenCon continues to advance automation capabilities, delivering more stable and efficient interconnect solutions to customers.